Hello, welcome to my channel, Liam's Beauty Hub. I hope you guys are okay. So today I'm gonna do a video on keratin treatment, how to do a keratin treatment at home. So I have just washed my hair with this clarifying shampoo, and once you do this, do not put any conditioner on and just leave your hair like this. Brush your hair. Your hair will be quite tricky after using a clarifying shampoo. So just use this brush to untangle it and then dry your hair with the help of this brush and a hair dryer. So I've just washed my hair with this, and I'm gonna dry my hair now. So that's how your hair should look like this. You can put your finger through and they're nice and straight. So just blow that, dry your hair straight, and then I'm gonna use this Choco Gold Professional Keratin treatment. This is really popular and most advanced treatment. Now make sure you don't mix up keratin treatment with permanent straight. You don't get permanent hair with this treatment. You get permanent straightening with rebounding. That's called rebounding. So remember, this is not rebounding. This is keratin blow dry treatment. So I have put my hair up like this, and you take one strand of hair. And I've got product here in my hand. Like this. Just leave the roots very light like this and spread it through the ends. That's how you're gonna apply it. So I have applied all the product on my hair. This product is really strong, so make sure you use a ventilated room or you do it in your bathroom with your window open. So I'm gonna leave this product on for 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna straighten my hair, and then I'll show you the final results. Do not wash your hair after 3 days. Wash your hair after 3 days to see the best result. In the meanwhile, if you get your hair wet or accidentally get water on them, just dry them or straighten them. So I'll show you final results. So that's how our treatment is complete, and you can see the shine already. I can show you the results. Okay, so make sure when you do this treatment, you choose a ventilated room or just where there is plenty of air, and this product is really strong. It goes into your eyes. So I'll see you in my next video, next thing, and then take care.